So this is how you do experiment 16, where how you actually deal with the equipment. You're going to have this little rod right here, and this guy that has a lot of voltage. Come over here, you can see that it's set to 1,000 volts. And then if you look over here, we've got an electrometer that's going to tell us how much there is, like how much voltage is between these two capacitor plates. I'm going to set that to, first I had it on 0 lock, now it's set to push to 0. I'm going to take this guy, touch it here, which will leave the charge in this guy, and touch it here, and you'll see that this guy over here moved just a little bit. And then for part 1, if you look down here, you're starting at 3 millimeters, and you move up each millimeter, and you go from 3 up to 11 one at a time. As you're going, you'll see that this guy should be increasing while you go along. And then the next part is you keep it straight on.
Oh, and you're going to record the voltage for every single millimeter. So like
yes.
at 1, 4, 5, etc.
The next part, turn it to 0 lock and turn it back. That'll 0 it. And then you leave it at 3 millimeters. Touch here, it'll go up. Touch again, it'll go up again. You do that for however many times it takes you to get to at or close to 10. And then that's part 2. You graph all of that. We'll talk about the graphs in a minute. And then for part 3, what you're going to do is take this piece of plastic, which will function as a dielectric, slip it between these guys, leave it at 3, and then do the same thing you did in part 2. And that's it.